Good evening, friends. Welcome back to Mainframe World. Okay, so today's session is on finding the job contention. Okay, and taking the dump of the job, then canceling the dump. Okay, so after canceling the dump, you are sending a message to the TSO user that your job has been cancelled. Okay, so dump we are taking SVC dump. Okay, so I'll be showing you one by one. I will also show you on contention, how we can see the job contention, and how we are cancelling it using SVC dump, taking an SVC dump. Okay, so now let me display all the address spaces here. So in console, to display the address spaces, we give display a comma. Okay, so these are my address spaces now here which are available. Okay, now as today's topic is on taking a dump and cancelling the jobs which are in contention. Okay, for that let us generate the scenario here. Let us generate a situation where there is a job contention. Okay, so for that what I will do is I have my one job. Okay, I have designed a job. Okay, what this job is doing is it is using a data set in display equal to mod. Okay, and what I have done is at the back end I have opened that data set. Okay, at back end somewhere I have opened that data set so that the job goes in the contention. So here I have opened it. Okay, so now what I will do is I will submit this job. Okay, I am submitting this job now. So once I submit this job, this is simple IFBR 14 utility. It is doing IFBR 14 utility. It is using, and it is trying to use this data set which is already open. Now if I submit, this job goes in contention. How it goes in contention, we will see. Now I am taking you back to my console. You can see here. Okay, there is a MVS message saying that the job waiting for a data set. Okay, job is waiting for a data set. Now our first priority is to check the contention. Uh, the command to check the contention is display grs comma enq comma c. So if you give only enq, then it will say, the system will say that whenever you are using enq, it will ask you for a contention command. Okay, so I am giving the contention command again. So display grs comma enq comma c. Now you see here the job which we submitted, it is in wait status. Okay, the job which we submitted, it is in wait status. Okay, it is waiting for a data set. Now what we will do is we will try to do one more experiment here. Okay, we will create one more job and we will try to submit that also. Now here you have to come out of this. Okay, come out of this. We'll go back. We'll open this. We'll open this. We will cut it. We'll go back. We'll give yes sir. JCL2. We'll paste it. Okay, now what I will do is I will make this job as, so total it is 2 2 4 6 7 8. Okay, now I will again submit this. Okay, now this job will also wait. Okay, because this data set is in open status. Now go back again here. Okay, so boolean now you give again display grs comma enq comma c. Now see, there are two jobs which are waiting. Okay, there are two jobs which are waiting. Now if you give display a comma l, okay, this screen is completely not visible here. Okay, at the down of this screen you will find these two jobs. Okay, you will find these two jobs. Now I will cancel the first job, this one, then I will cancel this job because the system operator has said me to cancel, or the owner of the job has asked me to cancel, so I am cancelling it. Now before cancelling a job, you have to take a dump of a job. Okay, you have to take a dump of a job. Now what I will do is, I am planning to take an svc dump here. I am planning to take a svc dump, so the command is dump dump space comm com equal to open brace single quote. Okay, cancelling job boolean. Okay, cancelling job boolean. Now you close. Why I am giving this? Okay, why I am giving this? Why I am giving this? Because once you take a svc dump, it will create a dump data set, and that dump data set will be having huge amount of data. You will be not able to identify you from where you have taken the dump, what is the subject of taking the dump. So this is like you are giving the subject of the dump. Okay, now the subject of the dump is cancelling the job boolean. Okay, why you are cancelling, you can add. Okay, so space due to contention. Okay, due to contention, this is the subject. Now if you hit enter, it will generate a wtr to you. Okay, if you hit enter, it will generate a wtr. Now I will hit enter here. So see, it has generated a wtr. Now wtr is 04. Now what I will do, 04 comma job name equal to, this is my job name. Okay, 04 comma job name equal to boolean. Hit enter. So now this, which was in white color, it went. It means that it has the reply whatever we give, it has accepted. Now you see here, you see this MVS message here, it says reply to 04 is job name equal to boolean. Now next what it has done is, this is the job which submitted when I took a, when I gave a reply. Okay, this is the job which got submitted. Okay, and what it has done is, it has captured the svc dump. Okay, it has captured the svc dump. The dump id is 002 requested by the job master. Okay, requested by the job master. Now my dump title is cancelling the job boolean due to contention. Cancelling the job boolean due to contention. Now what system will do is, system will collect all the dump data and it will store it in a data set called as dump data set. Now you see here, complete dump is available on this data set. Complete dump is available on this data set. Now my data set name is sys1.adc.dmp009. Okay, dmp009. Now we will go into our TSO session and I will try to find from where the snap of my dump has started. For that we will take the subject of the dump. My subject of the dump is cancelling the job boolean due to contention. So I will be taking this control C. Now I will go to my TSO session here. Okay, so this has been already submitted. I remove this, do function F9 here. Okay, okay, now these are my dump data set. If you hit enter, you can see my dump data set is here which has been generated, this one. So you can see 009. If you come back to console, you can see the dump data set is 009. Okay, going back to TSO, we'll try to enter into the dump data set. Now I'm giving a V here. Okay, hit enter again. Now there are many parameters inside a dump data set. I will be showing one more session on how to do a dump analysis, that we will see it later. I'm still preparing on it. So now here we will try to find the subject of the dump. Subject of the dump is, we have already copied it. Okay, so see, it is here. So now IBM people who are doing the dump analysis, for them this is the subject of the dump. From here they will start doing the dump analysis. There are different parameters which the person who is doing dump analysis will consider, like TTC and all. So that will be, I will be taking a different session. Now up to here it is done. Now you have taken the dump of a job. Now you have to cancel it, because the system programmer has asked you and the job owner has asked you to cancel. Now again here, come here. Okay, so give display GRS comma. Okay, if you give only display GRS, it will not show anything. Okay, so display GRS comma ENQ comma C. Now you see two jobs are there. Now I will be cancelling the first job. So command here, this system is designed, it will not take J equal to, it will not take J equal to, it will not take job equal to, both the commands. So here I will be giving it directly. In your system you can give cancel J equal to cancel a job. If you are cancelling an user ID, cancel U equal to. Okay, here directly. Okay, so I am giving cancel Bhushan. Okay, already you have taken a dump, no need to take a dump again. Now you do cancel Bhushan, enter. Okay, cancel command is accepted. Now you give display GRS comma ENQ comma C. There is only one job which is waiting now. If you go back to your TSO session and hit enter, you will find that your job has cancelled and the job actually has a JCL error. Okay, so you can see here the job Bhushan is completed. Okay, so it was waiting for that contention, it came out of the contention and it has failed with a JCL error. So this again, if you want, the application team will do an analysis on this. Now there is one more job which again the application team has asked you to cancel. Now I have cancelled one job Bhushan. Now my work is to send a message, okay, saying that job Bhushan has been cancelled due to contention. Okay, dump has been taken, has been taken. Now if you hit enter here, this message will be sent to everyone. We don't want, I want this message to send to the user of a job or the owner of a job. So I will give user due to contention we will do, and we will keep it short. Okay, so user equal to open brace UQ IBM user, because IBM user is my ID, I am the owner here, IBM user is my ID. So now I am sending this message to the owner who is using this TSO session and who is working on this job. Okay, now if I hit enter, I should get a message saying that this job has been cancelled. Okay, and now if you hit enter here in console, you are not going to get anything. Okay, this message has been sent to what, IBM user. Now I will go into IBM user. This is IBM user. If I hit enter here, you can see the job has been cancelled due to the contention. Cancelled on the console L700. Okay. Now this is one example of contention, how to remove and how to send a message to the user. Now again we have one more job, Bhushan one. Now we will do again. We will try to cancel this job. Okay. So how we will cancel is, before cancelling we will take a dump. DUMP dump space com equal to, okay, here I will give a short message now. Okay, subject of cancel is cancelled due to contention job Bhushan one. Okay, cancelled due to contention. Every time whenever you take a SPC dump, a new data set will be created. Now here there was 9, again a new data set will be created. Data set will be 10. Okay, now if you hit enter here, what it will do, as we have seen previously, we should generate a WTR. Hit enter. Now it has generated a WTR 05. Okay, 05 comma. Okay, now what we will do, what we are doing, we are cancelling a job. So job name equal to Bhushan. Okay, job name equal to Bhushan. Hit enter. So it has accepted. Reply to 05 is job name equal to Bhushan. Now you see here, again all the process will continue. It will take a dump and it has created a data set 10. Now if you go to your TSO session, okay, hit enter here, go back, okay, go back one more screen and hit enter. So you are able to find a data set here, okay, called as 10. Now you can see 8, 9 and 10 are the only data sets which are in use. How do you identify it? Whenever a data set is in use, okay, the volume serial on which the data set is being written, okay, so it will be using some tracks, okay, tracks and cylinders. So if you do function F11 here, see here, for all these data sets which are empty, there is no tracks used. Here there are tracks used, so it means these are the newly created data sets. There is a data inside this data set. Now here I will give an V. Now subject of the dump. Okay, how we will analyze the dump is, we will capture the subject of the dump. Subject of the dump, what is the subject of the dump? We have taken it from here. Cancel due to contention job, this one. Okay, copy this, go inside the data set, find for, paste it here. This from here, the analysis of this, from here whatever content is there, that will be the content of your dump. Okay, now today for dump on this much only. Analysis of dump, there will be different, one more video I will prepare. Okay, now this is done. Now you have taken a dump. Okay, you have taken a dump, display it again, display GRS comma. Today's session is only to have a hands on display GRS ENQ comma C and SVC dump, okay, comma C. Now display GRS ENU comma C, hit enter. Okay, so what it is showing is, it is still showing you the job. Okay, it is still showing you the job because we are not yet cancelled it. Now we will cancel it. Give command C, motion. Okay, no need to take the dump, you have already taken a dump. Okay, cancel command accepted. Now you give again display grs comma enq comma c. So there are no enq resource contention exist. Okay, no enq resource contention exist. Now final step will be sending a message to the owner. Sc comma job version 1 cancel due to contention dump taken. Okay, comma user equal to IBM user. Okay, user equal to IBM user. Now if you hit enter, this message is one. Where it is one, where this message is sent, it is sent to the user IBM user. Now log into IBM user, hit and enter here. Okay, the job version 1 is cancelled. Okay, you got a message job version 1 cancelled due to contention dump taken from this console. Now in real time what will happen, user will tell you to cancel. Okay, user will tell you to cancel. You will try to cancel it on display a comma l. Okay, now we will see what is this one. Okay, this is the proc step. Okay, we don't have anything here now. Okay, so in real time what will happen is you will try to cancel it once, the job will not get cancelled. You will try to cancel it twice, the job will not get cancelled. You have already taken a SPC dump. Then okay, then you have to confirm with the system programmer or confirm with an user and take a permission that you are going to force. Keep in mind, force you will never use in real time. You will use it only if they have given you clear instructions to use a force. Now the command to force is force comma job name. Okay, hit enter. Okay, then force comma task name. Okay, if you want to be more specific, you use a equal to the address id. Okay, now see like this, force equal to job name. Okay, here job name is not there. Okay, but it had accepted the force command. Now if you want to be more specific, use force comma job name comma a equal to id, some id you can give, whatever id is there of that job name, give the id and hit enter. Okay, then it will be cancelled. Okay, then it will be cancelled. Okay, so this was a small session of contention. Okay, next I will be adding one more video on displaying your dash D devices. Okay, displaying the dash D devices which are offline, which are online, and how to vary the dash D devices to online and offline. Then we will see whether the dash D devices has a channel path, then how to remove that channel path. Okay, those all things I will prepare one more video. Okay, thank you.